Only qualified personnel should install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video will demonstrate how to install the OLK Luminous log kit into a Napoleon TLV62L fireplace. The studs within the firebox have letters associated to them for identification. This helps indicate correct log placement over the venturi's when used with the log placement leaflet. Locate the holes in the bottom of log 1 and place them over venturi 1 and stud D. The log should sit flat on the media tray and not cover or cross over the burner at any point. Next, locate the holes in the bottom of log 2 and place them over stud F, venturi 2, and stud E. The log should sit flat on the media tray and will cross over the burner with a small charred arch. Locate the holes in the bottom of log 3 and place them over venturi 3 and stud G. This log should also sit flat on the media tray and will cross over the burner with a small charred arch. Locate the holes on the bottom of log 4 and place them over venturi 4 and stud H. The bottom of the log will lay flat on the media tray, with the extended end resting behind the notch on log 2, across log 3. Locate the holes on the bottom of log 10 and place it over studs A and C on the media tray. Ensure the charred part is facing forward and right side of the log. Locate the hole on the bottom of log 7, stud B, the opposite end of log 7, and left side of log 10. Place the hole in log 7, over stud B, and rest the opposite end on the left side of log 10. Locate the hole on the bottom of log 8, stud I, the opposite end of log 8, and right side of log 4. Place the hole in log 8 over stud I, and rest the opposite end on the right side of log 4. Locate the hole on the bottom of log 9, stud J, the opposite end of log 9, and center of log 8. Place the hole in log 9 over stud J, and rest the opposite end on the center of log 8. With all the logs placed correctly within the firebox, turn on the ember bed lights, then wash, dry, and place the glass on the media tray, around the logs. Ensure there is no glass placed on the burner, or pilot, and the lights can shine through the media tray, creating a realistic ember bed effect. Next, place the splinters around and on top of the glass, filling in the remaining areas of the media tray. Place the charcoal pieces around the logs, and in between the other media to create a realistic ember bed effect. Place the rocks strategically around the other media, to fill out the entire media tray. Then place glowing embers, and optional ambient glow embers, on the burner, around the large burner ports, ensuring not to cover the burner entirely. Lastly, spread the vermiculite throughout the media tray, to finalize the installation of the OLK Luminous logs and woodland kit. With all of the media installed correctly, reinstall the door, and turn on the appliance, allowing it to burn for a minimum of 15 minutes before assessing the flame. This time frame allows for the flame to establish, for a more accurate assessment of the appliance's baseline operation. If for any reason fire is visible underneath the burner, install the gaskets and rings provided, following the steps in the installation leaflet. To do this, peel the paper off the back of the silicone gasket, and stick it to the steel ring. Next, place the gasket side of the ring assembly into the venturi hole in the logs. Ensure the steel ring is flush to the bottom of the log, for a tight seal. Inspect the flame coming from the burner. Ensure the glowing embers, or ambient glow embers, are not blocking any of the burner ports, and are spread out to create a realistic glow. Lastly, inspect the flames coming from the luminous logs. Each opening should be filled with an active flame, reaching towards the top of the log. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.